have Belen Mendoza.
Yes, another 25-year-old is back.
I go.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Belen Mendoza, and mo naman dito sa Tagikano. I'm from Cebu City. So I'm here to tell you my experience with MindMax love stories. I was first introduced to this product by Dr. Elaine Raffles, and she was the one who really sponsored me to join this, no? And then sa ako lang background, because I work as an anesthesiologist for almost 20 years now, no? So among sleep is just like sa OBGYN. That's why toxic kayo gani maglikay jud ko mga OB-GYN nga close friend kay tawagon kag kadlawon, as what the Doctora said, no? Ting tawag yun na nila makalitok CS, no? And then sometimes karon labor analgesia, so pampapainless, so you don't know how long. So these are stressful kuan for me, no? Niya plus nag-work na kadugay. So all those years nagkabantay yun ko nga di na jud ang lawas kanang medyo ganahan ko untay mo mind, but the body cannot do it anymore. And when you look at the mirror, muragan mo atras kay ako na. Because no, ni take na ko aning product for like mga 3 years na yun niya, karon religious na yun ko nga. Usay makalimot, ika-second pa to or ika-third na. Usay ma-third na ko kay tungod sa kabisi. But ang akong na-notice is my energy level is really high up, no? Imagine, like example, gahapon, I was called 1 p.m. na human ang nagbantay ko pasyente nga nag-painless labor, and then finally by 7 p.m. na fully dilated siya. We started at around 4 cm, doc, no? But pagka fully dilated niya, pag 2 hours, di man yun mo gawas ang baby. So we have to go CS. Pagka human may mga alas 10 na siguro. Pagka next morning na is 7:30, the same doctor po. So medyo we have to work again. And then another case, and then karong adlaw, 2 more cases na sunod-sunod. Wala mo kailis since this morning, but may gani kay atong product, according to Dr. Magpayo, hiwi ang naong inom matarong. Ako na lang ang tarong na daag-naong. To tell you, okay, the science has been told by kanang Joel, no, the PhD naman na namo siya din. So, di na ito makiglalis. Our problem is a depleting glutathione level, which is innate to everyone. Everyone from 20 years old down, or even what Doctora said earlier now, munaog na gyud ang glutathione nga naturally biosynthesized, the one that we naturally produce. So that is our big problem. Now, because of that, the company, which has a breakthrough product, gave us the answer to the problem, and that is bringing back, elevating once again what we used to have. See? So dili na siya tambal mga sakit or what, but it's just that the diseases are the result of depleting glutathione level. So ato ikon to the root cause. Yes. So why not raise our glutathione level to the max? Yes. And raise life to the max.
Wow, thank you very much. Let's give a hand to everyone who has shared their testimony, ladies and gentlemen.